at the very cold with mittens, shawl, and warm jacket. And I can see that the members here who are supposed to be here were also feeling very cold, so decided not to come. Now, I would have thought the low number of membership here today at 18 and 19 was because of winter. I would have happily thought that. And I would have just stayed back and said like, okay, let summer come and the membership will be good. But let me tell you, that is not the case. Even when the winter had not set so hard, our members who were coming in regularly to the meeting was very low. And that is the reason we had a brainstorming session last time. And we talked about how do we make sure that the club grows? How do we make sure that the way forward for the club is such that it will be sustainable? And today I'm here to talk about how we can make sure that the membership is at around 50. You might wonder, why do you need 50? Now, we do target 50, and we have been targeting 50 at the ExCom right from the beginning, because we need 18 members to conduct a meeting, taking up all the roles, and you need the table topic speakers as well as featured speakers, evaluators, and everything. We need 18 members. Now the same 18 members, so as a backup, you'd want 20 people to come. The same 18 and 20 members will not come every week. So you need to look at 50 members. Last time, we talked about this issue. I gave you chits and asked you to suggest one thing that would make sure that there would be more members coming in. And what we saw from those chits last time is what we collected here. And we saw that stopped members from leaving, because I had mentioned 2 members who had left, who came back also, and temporarily. So members stopped them from leaving. That was there. And then there were others also that was listed here, but they didn't mention it. Then tell a friend to come, or bring a different friend each time you come. And then reduce the membership fee also, lower the membership fee. And then have members from different age group and different fields of life. So for that, maybe have showcase meeting or PR events. And then we also had suggestion that no membership fee. I saw here that somebody suggested have a fee of only 100 rupees. So no membership fee, or periodic information place from where you can give periodic information interaction session. And then follow up with the guests who had expressed interest. Because every time we have a few guests who come in, and they do express interest to come in, but what happens, the VB membership is supposed to follow up with the guests and make sure that they come back. Because it's been seen that unless a guest has come back, they are not going to join. If they've come only one time, that means that person has not been motivated enough to come back even as a guest. That's why we suggest come twice as a guest and then become a member. So follow up with the guest who had expressed interest. Exclusive executive committee needs to be strong. And then a strong leader, executive committee has to be strong, with strong leadership and with a good plan. And the next one was ExCom meetings should be held on convenient time. Most probably the person who gave this was a ExCom member. Then encourage members who are not active, bring in only interested members, standardize and conduct formal Toastmasters meeting, advertise and have awareness programs, specific meeting for guests, explore the reasons why people are leaving and what can be done. VP membership has to be very good and build a platform for weekly notification. And also, eventually, we got a suggestion that each ExCom member should bring in 5 guests. And from this, we had a discussion and we decided on 5 things that we should consider doing. First is tell a friend. So tell a friend to come, and each week bring a friend, lower guest. Second is each ExCom brings 5 members. Third was build platform for weekly notification. Fourth was follow up on interested guests, and then showcase PR event for different age group and field of life. Now today, I'd like to discuss on each of these topics so that we can come up with a plan, one single goal the one single method with which we can reach that goal of having 50 members at a time. And for this, I would like to request all the members present here to please give your opinion. First, we will discuss. Tell a friend to come. Each week, bring a new friend and lower guest fee. Is that a possibility or not? Do you think, can you, all of us, bring in a friend each time?
You can try to.
Like in the 15 weeks, then probably 15 weeks, if a person gets a guest, that should be great. Don't you think so?
15 weeks?
Yeah, if there are 52 weeks in a year, and 15 weeks, if a member gets a guest.
One member brings in 15
guests.
15 guests. Basically 15 guests in a year. So, do you have 15 guests that you can bring in a year?
I think I've already got more than that today.
One today. So we can continue. What do you think, the rest? Do you think you can bring 15 guests in a year?
Sure.
We can bring them, but
No,
yeah.
we're not talking about the but. It's just
No,
can you bring?
Yes. I'll next ask.
I think rather than can you bring, it should be we should try to bring.
that's what
The thing is this, if you say that can you bring, then that might be a little intimidating to a lot of people.
Try should not exist
No.
in our dictionary.
No, we can.
No, right now,
No, we are discussing, and I think
Yes,
as a thought, I would want to say that if we say that you need to bring, then probably even the member might stop coming because
We cannot be intimidating.
we cannot be intimidating and forceful. We can
But
just request. Very honestly, they can request their friend, and you just cannot drag your friend along to come. So, I think
get that.
we should try.
I get that. So right now, I'm just asking, can you? Is it possible?
I think we should have an
I think-
incentive structure. Sorry.
No, let's keep to this only. Today, we are not bringing up new ideas.
What he's trying to say is
What I like is, I really like Vivek's suggestion. What we can do is, in fact, it's easy to keep a tab on who got how many guests. It's not very complicated. So a guest that comes in could also write the name of the person who got him in.
Yes.
And after a year, at the end of a year, you have a particular person's name written 15 times, as he suggested. What that's going to ensure is that these guests are honored. There could be a special badge or a privilege or a trophy or a prize that you give them. And once you do that, that person is invigorated. Is definitely more encouraged and incentivized to get a guest, and that's a very great idea. I agree with
I
what you
have
said.
something on this. Last year, Toastmasters International had this thing that it's not just about getting a guest, but if you sponsor a guest, if you, a member, you convert a guest into a member, you do get mentioned in the international website, and you do get a letter of credit that you have got these many members, and I was able to get that. And I was telling people continuously in the meetings that you must do it so that you get the sponsorship benefit in the international, but somehow I think only 2 members were able to do that, and others were not really, others did not really take initiative in bringing in guests and converting them into members. So that is one thing.
Thank you, Nishi, for your idea. Did you have further idea?
Yeah, no, it was just giving a point on that. In 2010, I got the same thing as well. So they sent me a batch from the international saying that 5 members in this many months or something like that. And that, of course, is a great incentive, and I think Toastmasters should be encouraged with that, and maybe we
Yes,
could put that forward.
for your information, whenever we file a member's application, there we also have that segment which says that were you sponsored by any other Toastmaster. At that time, when you bring a member and when we file that application, we can write that name there and then submit it to the international. Okay, so this is a possibility, and we do think that our goal of 50 members can be achieved with this. So let's go so let's not go to this details. Let's go to the next one. Each ExCom brings 5 members. Do you think that is a solution? Yes, Mansi.
If there is some kind of a rule or like an enforcement, what I think is we'll be diluting the quality of the members.
Yes.
So if there are 10 people on the executive committee, each of them gets 5 members, you're anyways at 50, which is the maximum number that you can accommodate. So mathematically, I don't see it as viable. Also, I feel that you'll be diluting it if there's pressure on people to get
So
5
any
members.
other thoughts on this? Toastmaster Mansi feels that putting pressure will dilute the quality of the memberships here, and then 5 into 10 already brings 50 members, so that quality may not be maintained. Do you agree also, or you have any thoughts on this?
Taking it up from where Mansi left, I think when we say bring in 5 members, it's again the thing about trying to bring in members. Now the thing is, you might bring in members, but they may not continue, or they may be.
So it will be clubbed into this anyway.
It will be
So all
clubbed into
members-
that. But since ExCom is what drives the clubs, they should be taking special lead in bringing in members.
So you would say that bring a friend to the club, but ExCom should take more responsibility.
More responsibility, and and it should be leading by examples that like Toastmaster Nishi said, and I think it was Toastmaster Moon also brought in some members. So it would add value, and then you can actually tell someone. I mean, like Vivek said that he got members without being in ExCom. So you can obviously.
What I can add to is what we can also do is, like Toastmaster Vivek said, that we can just give them some incentives by bringing in